Hello student, in the previous part 4 we saw that surface area of a circular cylinder and there some example. Now next topic is cone. So first of all, what is cone? What is cone? A cone is, yes, first definition about cone. A cone is three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base to a point called the apex or vertex. Yes, a cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base to a flat called apex or vertex. Now next is some formula of a cone. First, curve. Yes, for cone, curve surface area of a cone. Yes, curve surface area of a cone equal to 1/2 multiplication L multiplication 2 pi r. Yes, 2 cancel. So now finally we get pi r L. This is curved surface area of a cone. I repeat, curved surface area of a cone pi r L, where r is radius. Where r is radius, its base. Yes, where r is its base radius and L is slant. Yes, slant height. We represent small l, that is slant height. Next is note. Yes, L square equal to R square plus H square. See in the figures. This is Pythagoras theorem for a rectangle, right angle triangle. Yes, for a right angle triangle. So L is a hypothesis, H is a height, and R is a base. By applying Pythagoras theorem. Yes, by applying Pythagoras theorem, L square, L is a hypothesis, H is a height, and R is a base, where H is height of cone, you see in the figure. Therefore, L under root of R square plus H square. L equal to under root of R square plus H square. Now we get finally. Next is total surface area. Yes, total surface area of a cone. Yes, for total, I repeat, total surface area of a cone pi RL plus, yes, pi r common, we take outside and write in the bracket. So pi r square, r into r. Yes, multiplication pi r common in both terms. So we take outside in right bracket. Yes, pi r in bracket L plus r. So So this is total surface area of a cone, pi r in bracket L plus R. This is pi r square. Yes, this pi r square is a circular piece of paper. Area is pi r square. You see in the figure for understanding. Yes, this circle, pi r square. Yes. Now next is we calculate some example of above this topic for cone. Let's start some example. Find the curved surface of a cone. Yes, find the curved surface area of a cone. Its slant height is 60 centimeter and the radius of its base is 21 centimeter. Yes. So how we can calculate? Solution. Right here, solution. Given that, yes, cone. Given that cone surface area, yes, its slant height is 60 centimeter. This cone and base is 21 centimeter. Slant height L. We represent slant height L equal to 60 centimeter. Radius of base cone small r equal to 21 centimeter. Yes. So I write here curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone equal to pi RL L and put the value in the formula. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 are 21. So 22 multiplication 3 multiplication 60 equal to 66 into 60. 36 6 3 carry and 6 36 plus 3 carry 39 centimeter square. This is curved surface area of a cone. Yes. Next sum is diameter. Yes, solution. So first I draw here cone for understanding better. This is diameter r plus r, 2r, d equal to 2r, this r. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter. Its slant height, cone is 10 and slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. Curved surface area. Find its curved surface area. Yes. So given that diameter D4 diameter 10.5 centimeter D4 diameter. So D equal to 2 into R. So R equal to D divided by 2. Put the value of D 10.5. Yes. D4 diameter 10.5 divided by 2. So R equal to 5.2. 0.25 centimeter, small r. Slant height. Next is slant height. Small l, 10 centimeter given. Yes, given in our question. Find its curved surface area. Easy. Curved surface area of a cone equal to pi rl, and put the value pi as 22 divided by 7 multiplication 5.25 multiplication L. What is L? 10 centimeter. So write here 10. So now we get finally answer 165 centimeter square. Do not forget write unit. Yes. Now next is question number 3. Radius of a cone. Yes. Radius of a cone and area of a curved surface is 176 centimeters. So find the slant height. Yes. So I draw here r plus r, h, and slant height L. Find the slant height, small l. Solution. So given that radius of a cone, small r, equal to 7 centimeter, yes, 7 centimeter, curved surface area of a cone equal to 176 centimeter square. For understanding, you read question 3 to 4 times. Slant height, small l, we find. We know that. What we know that? Yes, curved surface area of a cone equal to pi r l. Yes, this statement is equal to 176 centimeter. So put the value of curved surface area of a cone, 176 centimeter square equal to pi r l. So what is the value of pi? 22 divided by 7. So we find small l easily. Therefore 7 cancel out. Yes, so L equal to 176 divided by 22. So 22 1 ja 22 and 22 8 ja 176. Now we get finally slant height L, 8 centimeter. Our next question is, yes, the height of a cone is 21 centimeter. Yes, the height of a cone is 21 centimeter. Find the area of the base if the slant height is 28 centimeter. You see in the figure for better understanding. Yes, for better understanding you draw in the figure, and here given that height of a cone h 21 centimeter and slant height small l 28 centimeter. Yes, we take out a part for understanding better. By Pythagoras theorem apply. Yes, we know that. What we know that? Yes, hypothesis L square, height h square, and base r square plus h square. This is the Pythagoras theorem we obtain in triangle. So this is r. Yes, we find r. So r square, this plus h square equal, so minus l square minus h square. So r is under root of l square minus h square. So put value 28 whole square minus 21 whole square in under root. Now whole square 785 and 441. Now minus, yes, 4 minus 1 3, 8 minus 4 4 and 3, this under root. So 4, yeah. So 343 is a 7 cube. So I write here 49 multiplication 7. 7 multiplication 7. Yes. This 49 is 7 into 7. So outside 1 times 7 and right here under root of 7. This is the radius of 7 under root of 7 centimeter. Now last, find the area of the base. Yes, this circle, area of the base. So area of the base equal to pi r square. Put the value r. What is the value of r? 7 under root of 7 whole square. 22, this under root cancel out. So 22 into 7 and 7 multiplication under root cancel 7, yes, and under root 7 cancel 1 time, yes, and this 7 2 times whole square 7 into 7, and this under root 7 will only 1 time 7 7 cancel out. So 22 multiplication 7 equal to 1078 centimeter square. Thanks for watching.